Sample example to load the data. This is our sixth example that how we can load the data. We already load the data from database to database. Now we will discuss how to load the data from database to files. So we have to prepare a spool file of schema table using SQL and data load from the Oracle schema. So in this particular case, we will run the command like spool c:\test and we will put some kind of file over there, and we will put the select statement with the help of comma delimited, and we run this spool off and all the data will be saved inside the file. So this is how the data is basically saved from database to data file. So basically we have a database and we make the spool option to manage this data with the help of spool file. So basically we will use a spool here, and this is a comma delimited files, and these one of the file will be come up as a CSV file that we will make in this particular example. Let us see that how we can save the file. For example, we want to save the data in emp.txt file. The folder is test available with us. First of all, we will make our file by using the select statement. So this is how we can do it. First of all, we will make few columns over here. For example, we will say emp number, comma, we will make a pipe symbol, single comma, then we will make another pipe symbol, we say ename, then we will make another pipe symbol, we will say comma again, we will make another symbol, we say hire date, we will make another option for comma, and we will make over here salary from emp. So this is how we can make the comma delimited file. So let's suppose we will run this file on the prompt, command prompt. So we will go to over here, we will do this one in the SQL plus. So move into the PLSQL, we will paste these things and all the spool files are done. Now these spool files are normally done, these are comma delimited. Similarly, we can make the two character into, we say like this one, 2char, and we make the format like this way, dd/mm/4y. We close this one and see that how we can make this spool file. So we will run these two with the help of these commands and see the date format is changed. We missed one y, so run this one again. So we will see that how we can make this one. So let's see, run again this one by fixing this particular mistake, and now the date is fine. So let's go and move into the test folder, and over here we have emp and successfully created this file. We just make this file and we will see that the data is basically saved, or we can pull the data because this particular file spool off is not done. So let's see, we will run this one more time. Spool off is there. So now move on to this one again, this file. So hopefully now the data is there. Yes, we get this data. Unnecessary data we remove from here. Similarly, we remove this command also here so that we get exact data, and we remove this portion as well here. Now our data is ready right now, and this file is available. We can load this file in any of the database without any problem. So this is how we can extract the data by using SQL statement with comma delimited.